hanging by a thread here at Scott County Public Library this week. Just kidding. We are doing fantastic and we're happy to see you. Welcome back to Scott County Public Library in Georgetown, Kentucky. My name is Amanda and today I'm going to show you how to make a monogram spool craft. I really like these older vintage spools because you can actually see the colors on the side and you can actually see how neat they are on the ends here. I like them better versus the wooden ones. They just have more authenticity to them and they're really unique and you can make a beautiful, colorful craft with them. They have a little bit more pizzazz. So what I have made this week is a piece of monogram artwork. For one, I used a picture frame here. I just used the spools, a picture frame, and a piece of paper. Now you can go to Michael's and get different pieces of paper like this. You can get different patterns and things like that, or you can even go online and print them out for free. To adhere these to this, I actually used magnets. So let's say if you want to remove one and make a different letter, you can actually do that too. Another hint that I've seen is you can actually put galvanized steel behind here and pull and remove the magnetic letters on and off so you can change things around. So this is that one that I did. And then the other one is a little bit more simple. I kind of used a piece of just cardboard and I kind of made a little descriptive letter here. And what I did was I cut out some of the same kind of paper, patterned paper, and I made it in the shape of the letter, glued it on there, and then actually glued the spools down. And it's really neat because from the side you can see the color. They are actually still usable. You can actually, I've taped some down, but you can actually untape them and actually still use them if you wanted to hang this in your craft room or something like that. So another thing you could do is you can make a smaller one and do a little bit of a fancier cardboard cutout here. The tools you need for this would kind of just depend on what you want to do. Of course, you would need the spools, tape, scissors. I did use some hot glue on these, or super glue on these, a pencil, and there are several different kind of magnets that you can choose from. You can get these, at Lowe's, at Michael's, or anywhere like that. Initially, I thought this would be a little bit more difficult project to do, but it was surprisingly easy. So get it initially. So I had a really, really great time with it. And like I said, a great thing is when you do one of these, you can make it so you can change the letters out if you want to, just like that. It's always fun to just do a piece of your own unique artwork to give as a gift, to hang in your home, to put in your craft room. So next time you want to create your own artwork that is personalized and colorful, I say go back to Spool. So thank you so much for joining me today and happy crafting. And please be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and our website at www.scottpublib.org. Thank you.